Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through the simple steps on how to delete a message in a chat on the X app. If you've ever sent something by mistake or just want to clean up a conversation, removing a message is quick and easy when you know exactly where to look. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all of your conversations. On the bottom of your screen, you'll see several icons. Tap on the message icon to open up your inbox. This is where all your chats and conversations are neatly organized. Once you're inside, choose the conversation that contains the message you want to remove. Simply tap on that chat to open it. Now, scroll to find the specific message you'd like to delete. This works whether it's something you sent a while back or a recent message. When you've found the message, press and hold it. After a quick hold, you'll see a small menu appear with different options. From that menu, tap on Delete Message for you. This will immediately remove the message from your side of the conversation. It's important to note that this action only deletes the message for you. The other person in the chat will still be able to see the message unless they also choose to remove it. So if you're just cleaning up your own inbox or want to avoid rereading something, this is the perfect solution. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can easily delete any message from a conversation on the X app. Quick, straightforward, and useful anytime you need to manage your chats. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to try it out the next time you open your messages. Keeping your chats organized doesn't have to be complicated. It really is just a matter of a few simple steps. Thanks for watching.